Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox using a keyboard on your iPad. First, ensure your Bluetooth keyboard is powered on and in pairing mode. Then, open your iPad settings application, tap on Bluetooth, and select your keyboard from the list of available devices. You might need to enter a 4-digit code on your keyboard to complete the pairing process. This initial step connects your physical keyboard to your iPad. It's important to understand that Roblox on iPad does not natively support keyboard controls for in-game actions. This means simply connecting your keyboard won't allow you to move your character or perform actions. To enable keyboard gameplay, we must utilize a special feature within your iPad's accessibility settings, specifically switch control, to create custom key assignments. To enable gameplay, navigate to your iPad settings, then accessibility, and tap switch control. Here, you will create switches and recipes. For each key you wish to use, like W for forward movement, you'll assign a custom gesture that simulates a tap on the screen where the virtual joystick or jump button would appear. This process requires mapping every desired action individually. While setting up switch control takes time, it's the only method for keyboard gameplay on iPad. You'll need to assign every action, such as attacking or interacting, to a specific key. You can create different recipes for various Roblox games, tailoring controls to each experience. This detailed configuration provides a more traditional gaming feel, offering enhanced precision over touch controls.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.